This video I'm going to talk to you about Rhassoul clay. Rhassoul clay from Morocco is a very good clay to detox the skin. Excellent clay with excellent detoxing ability. Is an exceptional clay, you know, with multi-purpose use. Okay, actually it is mined in the mountains of Morocco and has been used for several centuries, you know, by population from Middle East, people from, you know, South Europe and Africa. Now this exceptional clay is rich in potassium, is also rich in magnesium, calcium and silica. Now, Rhassoul clay impressive property, you know, is its ability to absorb excess oil from the skin. That's the goodness of Rhassoul. It has that strength and ability to absorb excess, you know, oil from the skin, and it also helps to reduce dryness, flakiness of the skin. It also helps to improve the texture of your skin very well. This property of this mask is so unique in that you can add it to different skincare products. You can use it to make hair mask, you can use it to make face mask, you can also use it to make soap. Very good also in spa treatment. Professional spas use it a lot to aid the rejuvenation of the skin, to aid the toning of the skin, and to aid the detoxification of the skin. You can use it to make shampoo, face wash, skin conditioner, hair conditioner, body mask, and you can also use it to make cold processed soap. If you want to use it in skincare, you can use it from 5% to up to even 100% when you're using it in skincare. When you're using it to make soap, you're going to use 15 ml per pound of soap. Okay, you're going to use 15 ml of this for a pound of soap, so it's good for whole skin type, right? So basically, how do you use Rhassoul clay? Rhassoul clay can be used by adding water. Okay, what I do is just take 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon, because I want to do one use, right? Take 1 teaspoon and just add a little bit of water to it to make a paste, and that's the best way to use it. Add a little bit of water to it, not too much water, just add a little bit of water to it to make a paste, and you can apply it to your face. If you want to even boost the property further, you can add a little bit of your essential oil, or you can add skin softening oil like sweet almond oil. Okay, add a little bit of water to it to make a paste and mix well. It's a very, very rich. Add a little bit of water to it. Also add a little bit of essential oil to it. If you do not have essential oil at home, do not worry yourself too much. If you have any other soft oil at home, you can also add them to it. So apply it on your face and allow it to dry. Sometimes I leave it off for 15 minutes or more. Then you can wash it off with warm water. Wash it off with warm water, pat it dry, and follow with your toner. Okay, and if you use serum, you can add serum, and also you can follow with your moisturizer. So that's basically how to just make sure it stays on your face, okay, for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So look in the description box below for where you can get your own Rhassoul clay from Morocco. Very good clay to use when you want to detox your skin and you balance the skin off. Thank you so much everyone for watching. This is a very good clay to use. In my next video, I'm going to talking about French red clay, so keep that in mind also to see how to use it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, this is a channel for you if you want to increase your knowledge about the skin and how to use your different skincare ingredients to make skincare products. So click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new video.